Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices were up 1% and on course for a 3-day gain after data showed gasoline and distillate drawdown in the US, while worries about supply disruptions in Russia supported prices. Global stocks treaded with caution, with Asian shares feeling the heat as US President Donald Trump's tariff plans, geopolitical worries, and a cautious stance from Federal Reserve policymakers hurt risk sentiment. The risk-off mood lifted gold prices to a record high. Franklin Templeton has launched an exchange-traded fund holding both spot Bitcoin and Ether, the asset manager said. Franklin Crypto Index ETF is the second cryptocurrency index ETF to hit the market after asset manager Hashdex launched its Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF on February the 14th.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.